We're solving problem 3 from the AMC 12A from 2022. 5 rectangles A, B, C, D, and E are arranged in a square as shown below. These rectangles have dimensions 1 by 6, 2 by 4, 5 by 6, 2 by 7, and 2 by 3 respectively. Which of the 5 rectangles is the one in the middle? Now we can just write out their dimensions. So the dimensions are 1 by 6, 2 by 4, 5 by 6, 2 by 7, 2 by 3. Okay. Now, well, what we can do here is sort of just either try them out, but how do we do that? Let's just find the total area first. The total area is equal to 1 times 6, the sum of all these small areas, so 6 plus 8 plus 30 plus 14 plus 6 area is equal to 64. Oh, shoot. Our area for the totals for the big square is 64. Since it tells us it is a square, we know that the area of a square is the square of a side length. So we can find the length of a side length. So say side length S is equal to the square root of 64, which is 8. Now we know that, say, this side is 8 and that side is 8. Well, we can now in turn find, or rather test values for these boxes. If we say that this long one has dimensions 2 by 7, we say this is 7 and this is 2. Well, that's gone out of the way. That makes sense. We want to make an 8 on each side. So we see here that we could use, to make an 8 here, one of the 6's. So if we do, say, the 5 by 6, this becomes 5. And then this is not drawn to scale, but we can show here that it is possible. This is a 5, rather. But like something that seems more likely is a 1. That does not look drawn to scale, but that looks more realistic. If we have a 1 here, we have to have a 7 to make an 8, so that makes a 2. A 2 plus another 6 makes an 8, and we have a 5 there, which doesn't seem right because we used 2 of the 7's rectangles. Yikes, I messed up. But we can retry that. If we have this 7 here and this 2 here, 7 plus 1 equals 8. We only have one case where we can do that, so this has got to be 1. If this is 6, we want a case where it is 2. Say this is 2 times 7. Now we want to... Wait, no, we already used 2 times 7. If we use 2 times 7, and we use the 1 by 6, we are left with the 2 by 3 and 2 by 4. Can this be a 4? Well, no, because there is no other 4 here to make an 8. There is only one 4 here. Now, you could use that to deduce that this one is the 2 by 4 in the middle, but we still want to prove that this is real. So if this is the 2 by 3 rectangle, and then that works, we need a 5 there. 5 by 6. And this all works out in harmony. Now, we know that the middle one is 2 by 4, or rather our respective rectangle B. Our answer.